creating jobs and wealth for hustlers, making our housing plan truly transformational from bottom up. We want, ladies and gentlemen, to create the experience of hardworking Kenyans like John Ochieng, who is present here as one of my guests today. I met him 2 days ago when I handed over keys to new homeowners in Ongata Rongai, Kajiado County, under the Affordable Housing Scheme. Ochieng began working as a carpenter in that housing project when it began 2 years ago. Then, home ownership to him was a mere dream. 2 years later, he owns an apartment in the same estate he helped to build as a carpenter. Given that there are developments today that cater for housing needs for ordinary Kenyans like John, I am convinced that it is possible to provide quality, affordable housing for rent and sale, and Ochieng's story will be replicated multiple times over throughout the country. We therefore proceed with confidence that we will provide quality, climate-smart housing that Kenyans can buy with mortgages for as low as 5,000 shillings a month, to be made available through various home financing arrangements. Next week on Tuesday, I will break ground in this same constituency at the Kibera Soweto B in Nairobi for a housing project which will deliver thousands of social housing units. Going forward, we intend to collaborate with county governments to achieve a target of at least 5,000 units in every county. Counties with larger metropolitan